Hello po sa lahat. So for this lesson, you will learn how to change the format of your external hard disk for it to become compatible in your Mac computer. As you all know, yung format ng Windows is different from the format of your Mac when it comes to inserting your hard disk drive. So dito, I have a hard disk na naka-plug sa computer ko. So as you can see, we can read from the contents of our hard disk drive, pero hindi tayo pwede makapag-write dun sa hard disk natin. Kasi again, iba yung format. So to solve this, sa Mac nyo, search for the disk utility. And then click on your hard disk drive. Yung name ng sa akin is My Passport. So I'll click on it. So as you can see, ang format niya is naka-Windows NT file system or NTFS, which is iba yung format dapat pag naka-Mac. So, gagawin nyo, you click on this erase button and then change the format into exFAT, this one. And change the name of your hard disk drive. So sa akin, I'll type Orange HDD. Kayo na bahala kung anong gusto nyong name ng hard disk nyo. Once done, click on the erase button and wait for it to finish. Pag tapos na, click on the don't use. So for my case, bago tong hard disk drive ko. But if yung sa inyo is may laman, make sure na i-backup nyo muna yung contents kasi dito may erase lahat ng content ng hard disk nyo. So erasing is done. I'll click on done button. So now, kailangan nyo munang i-eject first yung hard disk nyo. And then, plug nyo ulit. Now you can write on your hard disk drive. So let's try. So copy natin to. So as you can see, we have successfully copied contents into our hard disk drive. So ganyan lang po kadali para ma-change nyo yung format ng hard disk nyo. This format is also readable sa Windows computer. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.